How to make talking AI avatar using Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make talking AI avatar using your Canva account. So first of all, just simply open your Canva, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your Canva account, just simply tap on the menu icon from the left hand side of the screen. And after that, just simply go to the apps section from the list, and over here just simply tap on all apps. And once you're there in the app section, all you have to do is just simply look for the Nairo app, or if you don't find it, just simply click on search app and simply type Nairo over here, and you will be able to see the avatars by Nairo app. Just simply tap on it and select it, and after that you will be able to see the creating engaging video scale. So just simply go for use in new design, and after that just simply search for videos over here, and now you have to select the avatar that you want to make the video with. So for example, I'm selecting the second one, and after that you just have to write the prompt or the script for the AI avatar to speak. So I'm writing the script right here, and once you're done writing the script, all you have to do is just simply click on create your video. But before that, copy the script that you have just mentioned here, and after that just simply go to the design section, and over here just look for background, and after that just simply put a background behind the canvas. And once the background is set, just simply go back, and after that just select the avatar and just paste your script right here, and scroll down and click on create your video. And now just wait for the AI tool to generate your video. Just simply click on add to design, and once it is added to the design, just simply adjust the video in the background that you have just put. And after that just simply check just simply play the video and check whether everything looks fine or not.
How to make talking AI avatar using Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show how to make talking AI avatar using Canva.
And once you're satisfied with the result, you can go ahead and save the video in your device and use it wherever you want. So in order to save it or download the video, all you have to do is just simply go to the share icon from the top right corner, and from there just download the video in your device. And that's how you will be able to create a talking AI avatar using Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.